I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Divi Theme Builder. First, navigate to the Divi Theme Builder within your WordPress dashboard. This powerful feature allows you to create custom templates for every part of your website, from headers and footers to individual post types. It provides a visual interface, making it easy to design and manage your site's global elements without touching any code. You gain complete control over your site's appearance, ensuring a consistent and professional look across all pages. To start, open the Divi Theme Builder from your WordPress admin panel. You will see an option to Add New Template. Clicking this button opens a modal where you can select precisely where your new template will apply. You can choose to build a template for all posts, specific pages, product archives, or even custom post types. This granular control ensures your designs are applied exactly where you intend them to be, offering immense flexibility for your site structure. Once you've created a new template, you can begin designing its layout using the familiar Divi Visual Builder. You'll find sections for the header, body, and footer. Within each section, you can add any Divi module, such as text, images, or dynamic content like post titles and featured images. The Visual Builder allows for real-time adjustments, giving you immediate feedback on your design choices. This process empowers you to craft unique and functional layouts for every part of your website. After designing your template, remember to save your changes within the Divi Theme Builder interface. Templates can be assigned to specific areas, like all blog posts or a single product page. If you create a global header or footer, it will apply to all pages unless overridden by a more specific template. You can also prioritize templates by dragging and dropping them in the list, ensuring the correct layout is displayed. This system provides powerful control over your site's design hierarchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.